Hello guys, good afternoon everyone. I'm getting ready to go out because we have Christmas party tonight. And we gonna practice singing for the song we need to sing in our party. We need to sing together as a volunteer in ushering ministry. We have a presentation today. We have a presentation and we gonna sing together with my co-member in ushering team. That's why we need to go early. But our Christmas party is at night. But I need to get ready now because we meet up in practice in Alwada bus station. I need to put cream in my hair. My hair is so messy. Guys, I'm getting ready to go out for the Christmas party in our church today. We have presentation, we need to practice. Our Christmas party is night time, but we need to meet up to practice the song that we sing in our program. We have presentation. I need to it's wrong to wear this. This ring in my hand is given to me from Kuya Butch. This ring is more than 20 years ago from Saudi Arabia. With a little stone in here. But very seldom I wear this. I'm still working in Manila, Ayala, Alabang at that time. This one also from Saudi. I need to put ponytail in my hair. That my hair won't get messy when I travel and when I sing in the States later. Oh no, I cannot put my bracelet. It's hard to put. I dare.